In this video, I will show you how to check how much time you're spending on Instagram. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up the Instagram app on our phone. Once you open up the Instagram app on your phone, select your profile picture at the bottom right. Then what you're gonna do is go ahead and tap on the three lines that you see right here at the top right corner of your screen, and you're gonna select the third option that you see, which is going to be your activity. And now all you have to do is scroll down and select time spent. As you can see, Instagram is showing me the average time that I'm spending per day using the Instagram app. If you want to check exactly how long you spent on the app, for example, on Monday, simply select it, Tuesday, and you can do that for every single day. A great thing that you can do here as well is to set a daily limit. This limit is going to tell you to close the Instagram app whenever you reach a certain amount of time during the day. So you can set it up for 2 hours, maybe 1 hour, or you can do even less. So for example, if you only want to use Instagram for 15 minutes a day, you can select that option, and every single day that you reach that limit, you're going to get a reminder. And that's it. I hope this video helped.